morning, children. Today we will do class 3rd, chapter 4, our dresses. So let's start reading. India is a land of colorful dresses. India is a land of colorful dresses. Visit any place and you will see the women wearing a variety of dresses like short, jeans, trousers, sari, salwar kameez, ghagra, lungi, etc. The man can be seen in kurta pajama, lungi, dhoti, tehma, jeans and trousers. In some places, you will find people wearing warm woolen cloth. And in other places, people may be wearing cool cotton clothes. Can you see the picture? There is Gujarati dress, there is Rajasthani dress, there is Rajasthan, there is Punjabi dress, there is Kashmiri dress, and there is salwar kameez. Okay, the next. Why is there such a variety in dresses in India? One reason is the climate and the other reason is the culture and tradition of the people. In hot and humid climate of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, people wearing cool cotton clothes. The man mostly wear lungi and cotton shirt, and the women wear sari or lungi with a blouse. Next, do you know cotton, silk, and wool are natural fiber? Nylon and polyester are man-made fiber. Turn the next page. The people living in the cold climate of Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh wearing thick woolen cloth to keep themselves warm. The man wear cap and the women wear colorful scarves, shawls to protect their head from the chilly wind. So there is Kashmiri Firan and there is Kerala sari. Comment what is the best traditional dress? Who is the best traditional dress? Comment now. The dresses of women as well as the man are made of different types of material like cotton, silk, wool, nylon, rayon, etc. The type of material people choose from their dresses depend upon the climate in area of high temperature. Cotton and linen fiber are warm and in cold climate people mostly use silk and woolen material. Do you know? Cotton comes from cotton plants, silk comes from silkworm, and wool comes from fur of animal like sheep, yak, etc. Okay. And comments now. What is your traditional dress? The culture and tradition of an area also affect our dresses. If you go to Hyderabad or Lucknow, you will find some Muslim women wearing burqa. It is a long black and or dark colored cloak. In Kashmir, men wear as well as women wear a long robe known as pirang, like this. The women from Assam wear a mehla chadar, Meghala chadar, and Rajasthani women wear ghagra and choli. Turn the next page. In states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and Maharashtra, man wear a safa turban to protect their head from the hot sun. In Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, man wear woolen cap in winter. There's Haryana dress, there's Punjab dress, there's West Bengal dress, there is Rajasthan dress. These days, most girl can be seen a salwar kameez, chunada, kurta or jeans and t-shirt. They find them comfortable. Sari is worn all over India, but the stylish of wearing a sari and different material used are different places from places to place. You can name the state by looking at the style of wearing a sari. There is Maharashtra sari, there is Bengali sari, there is Gujarati sari. Which one you will favorite sari? Comments now. Most India men wear trousers and jeans with shirt and coat. Men in cities. Man in cities and towns wear kurta pajama, dhoti kurta and achkan from special occasion like a festival and marriage etc. Brides and bridegroom wear different types of dresses in different part of India. There is Gujaratis, there is Assam, there is West Bengalis, and there are Kashmiris. Turn the next page. Can you look here? There is machinist, naval officer, nurse, police officer. What? अगर आप बड़े हो जाओगे तो आप क्या बनोगे इनमें से? Comments now. Some dresses are linked with some occupation. A machinist with the navy blue dungarees and naval officer in white uniform can be recognized easily in the same way. Your school uniform make it easy to everyone know which school do you study in. In India is a land of many classical and folk dance. The dancers wear beautiful costumes. There's Bharatanatyam, there's Kathakali, there is Garba. The next video we coming this something to do. Take the correct answer, filling the blanks. Bye bye students.